We are standing here at Gochar Airstrip. What is the current situation prevailing in Kedarnath and adjoining areas? So, how many people you are the people?
Considering the monsoon season, you could see the weather is not totally clear. It sometimes it opens up and sometimes it closes. So we have to keep a very close eye how the weather is there inside the valley. Considering that, we have launched one sortie in the morning in which one Mi-17 V5 has successful carried out a rescue of 15 personnel, and we have inducted close to 9 NDRF personnel into the Kedarnath helipad. Second, Chinook has attempted, but because of bad weather, it has to abort its mission and came back. And now again we got an opportunity that the weather is opening up. We are again making one more attempt, and we will keep continuing trying, keeping all safety in mind to safeguard all the people, at the same time keeping the safety of the aircraft and its occupant also as a prime importance.
What your source? Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sir, currently we are standing here at Gochar Airstrip. What is the current situation prevailing out here in Rudraprayag region and Kedarnath Valley, and how many people are currently struck out in the valley, sir?
If you will consider, as per the reports given by civil authorities, they are expecting close to 700 to 800 people are still stuck in the Kedarnath Valley. The Indian Air Force helicopter MAN Mi-17 V5 and Chinook are continuously on the job, as well as side by side civil helicopters are also taking part for the evacuation of the civilian person. At the same time, if you talk about weather, as I already covered, it is not giving us a very clear picture and very clear window so that we can operate unhindered. However, there are challenges in terms of terrain and in terms of weather.
Your operation going on, and how challenging it is, because we have seen a mass cloud burst in Kedarnath region, sir. So how was the situation out there at that time, sir?
First, I wanted to really congratulate that all the team are working in unison and they are supporting each other, whether it be a civil authorities, whether it will be a NDRF personnel, or maybe the Indian Air Force, where we are leading the mission and taking up and evacuating people from these remote areas. So people are coordinating and keeping an eye on minute to minute update in terms of weather, in terms of evacuation and the safety drills which needs to be followed regarding the discipline over the helipad and the crowd control. So I would like to say only the weather god is playing a different role. Other than that, all human elements and all personnel involved in these rescue operations are doing their job properly.
What you would like Indian Air Force, sir, and what the number of choppers and helicopters of Indian Air Force out here in Kedarnath Valley, sir?
Presently, there are 2 helicopters which can carry a huge number of people, depending upon their carrying capacity, are already being employed, and we are constantly monitoring the weather and trying to already chalked out a detailed plan that how we will carrying out this rescue operation to evacuate as many as possible. As I already told that Indian Air Force aim is always that nobody will be left behind, and we will be fighting to save the last man who had stuck over there. And for that, civil administration and other NDRF teams are also helping us out to achieve our aim in the best possible manner.
Thanks, sir.
Leave it because a name, it's okay. Unknown should be always good.
पर खड़े हैं यहाँ पर इंडियन एयरफोर्स, एनडीआरएफ और एसडीआरएफ ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन कर रही है। जिस तरीके से केदारनाथ वैली में क्लाउड बर्स्ट हुआ, उसके बाद किस तरीके की सिचुएशन वहाँ पर है, और क्या अभी आप अंदाज़ा लगा पा रहे हैं कितने लोग वहाँ पर फंसे हो सकते हैं?
जो हमें प्रारंभिक इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी उसके अनुसार जो सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने हमें बताया है, लगभग 700 से 800 लोगों के फंसे होने की जानकारी है। एंड उसके लिए हमने ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं। यहाँ पर एक Mi-17 और एक चिनूक ऑलरेडी इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने पोजीशन कर दिया है, जो अपने सारे क्रू के साथ इस ऑपरेशन को हैंडल करने के लिए रेडी है। एंड आप जिस तरह से देख सकते हैं, हमें एक नई विंडो मिली है जहाँ हम एक और अटैम्प्ट मारने जा रहे हैं, जिससे हम अपने कार्य को बखूबी निभा सकें।
हम देख रहे हैं एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और इंडियन एयरफोर्स वहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं, तो लोगों की संख्या किस तरीके से और डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन किस तरीके से हेल्प कर रहा है सर?
ये बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हिल्स और मानसून और वेदर हर एक चीज़ चैलेंजिंग है और काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट में सभी क्रू को काम करना पड़ता है। सभी क्रू आपस में मिलकर, सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एनडीआरएफ और इंडियन एयरफोर्स आपस में मिलकर हम इस ऑपरेशंस को अंजाम दे रहे हैं ताकि हम मैक्सिमम लोगों को सेव कर पाएँ और किसी भी बंदे को वहाँ छोड़े नहीं, और जितना हमारी कैपेसिटी है और हमारा बेस्ट एबिलिटी है उसके द्वारा हम हर एक बंदे की रेस्क्यू करने की पूर्ण कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
देश विदेशातील प्रत्येक घडामोडींचे लाईव्ह अपडेट मिळवण्यासाठी आता साम टीव्हीच्या सर्व सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्मला लाईक, फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राईब करा। तसंच सर्व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका।